Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be looking at how meditation is not a hustle, it is not a grind. This is a channel where you can learn the ins and outs of mindfulness practice, get tips and tricks on meditation, and regardless of your level, where you can meditate with me. So thanks for being with me today. Building on the last video about meditation being different from self-improvement, there's a lot of messages that we're bombarded with today, especially on social media, about how we should always be hustling, we should always be grinding. A famous entrepreneur said a few years ago that the best way to be successful is to work 80-hour weeks and basically to put sleep last on your list. And I just wanted to take this moment just to invite you to make your meditation practice different from that mindset. So we might want to grow as people, we might want to explore ourselves, explore our world, and I think that's fantastic. I think that's in many ways what we're here for. But let's try and take a different mindset when it comes to our meditation. Maybe we can use it as an opportunity to slow down. Instead of speeding up, instead of making everything always about faster, better, stronger, that we can really just notice what's here right now. And whatever that is, that we can just observe that. Just take it in. We can take in even our desire to be better, faster, and stronger. Just witnessing that. And even if this is maybe your only place in life that you can have this kind of attitude, that's okay, that's something that you can explore. And as you listen to my words, maybe just notice, is there a certain effect that you feel in your body? Is there a certain effect you feel in your mind? Are there any thoughts that come up? Does it feel okay to try to just be here? It might feel relieving, or it might feel uncomfortable. And just noticing those thoughts as well. And as I'm talking, let's just transition just kind of naturally into a sitting posture. So out of this invitation to just observe and just to be with ourselves, just finding our body, finding a way to sit up comfortably. And as you breathe in, just noticing the sensations in your body. And as you breathe out, just inviting your body to relax, inviting the tension to melt away. When we rush ourselves or when we put pressure on ourselves, we can often generate tension in our face and in our neck. So as you breathe, just noticing the muscles of your face, of your forehead, the muscles around your eyes, the muscles in your neck. And first noticing them, and as you exhale, just inviting any tension there just to flow out of your body. Another place we might feel tension is in our chest. And really putting your awareness into your heart, your beating heart. Can you feel it pumping blood in your body? Can you tell your heart that it's okay just to be here right now? Your heart doesn't need to hustle, at least for right now. Your lungs can be full, they can relax as you breathe. And lastly, we might also feel tension in our stomach, in our organs, our intestines, our liver, our kidneys. And again, as you breathe in, just noticing the sensations in your lower abdomen. And as you breathe out, just inviting yourself just to be present. Just to let go of any tension. Imagine your organs just filling up with blood, just full and rich and happy. And so just to wrap up, that even if we have a lot on our plate, even if we have tons of responsibilities, and maybe so much that we feel like we cannot even accomplish it, that when we sit, that we can just take a moment just to put that on pause and just to have one moment in our lives where just sitting, just being quiet here alone as we are, that is okay. And that's enough for you and enough for the world. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you got something out of the video today. If you learned something new, or if anything came up that you'd like to share, I would love it if you could leave it in the comments. If you have any questions, please do so as well. And I am trying to grow the channel, so if you feel like sharing with friends, subscribing if you haven't already, and liking the videos, I would really appreciate it. So thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next video.